Right, hi, my name's Andy and my channel is Any Given Road. I picked Any Given Road because I like any given road to ride on. This video today is going to be all about a 1958 chopper, bobber basically, which I bought. I bought it from a guy not far from where we are. I brought it back. I probably should have videoed it when we went to go and get it, but it was too complicated, and trying to work out how all these things work is difficult for me. So I'm going to do it in the best way I can. I picked up the bike. I already have a Triumph pre-unit bobber, which is also a 1958, which is a Dresda bike. But this bike is not a pre-unit. It's all-in-one gearbox engine combined. And this is the start to hopefully a new project. Going to take it in some different ways, going to change a few things, but I'll introduce you to the bike, give you a walk round, give me some ideas. Going to try and keep it pretty much as it is, but nice new paintwork, some detailed paintwork and bits and bobs like that. Bring it all up to speed, clean it all through. Yeah, so any feedback would be appreciated. Anyway, thanks. So this is it. This is the initial video, and this is what we're looking at. So 1958, all the drum brakes. So I think to start with, we'll take these apart. I mean, I love the front fork. I love how long they are. The tank, I'm not particularly sure about at the moment. And with a bit further inspection, I guess we'll see what's the state of play with that. But I love the engraving on the tank. That's something else, and that's definitely going to be staying. The front forward controls, I think we're going to change those. The speedo mount, but she runs lovely. She kicks over. Second one, oil tank's good. The seat we're going to adjust. And the back wheel is definitely going to be cleaned up, and I think we'll send that away and have that refurbed. There's lots of nice parts on this bike. Yeah, she's a lovely looking bit of kit as far as it goes. Just needs some love. Got some old rear foot pegs. We'll cut those off. Cut out the battery tray because she doesn't have a battery. And yeah, see how she goes. But and the handlebars, they've got to go. I'll really give it some thought, but she's got such a long front end. Yeah, so that is her. So fun begins right now.